Anyway, guys, it has been almost a week since my last video, and I'm back with another one tonight, and there are gonna be a good bit, hopefully next week, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a video that I have not done in a while, and I'm gonna be doing a ramp jump video, not a free roaming video in Forza Horizon 5, but a ramp jump video. And I have the perfect car for the video. I am gonna be doing the Porsche 918 Spyder, and this thing should be pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Anyway, guys, here we go. Gonna ramp jump the Porsche 918 Spyder. It took me a little while to get here, and obviously I did not do it on camera. This thing should get pretty far, actually. I bet we might get it to the river. I've jumped it before, but not on video. Or at least I did not think on video, and it was a while ago that I jumped it last. I forget how far it got. 100% in the river. I actually got pretty far. I've seen videos of people making it across the river. In fact, I think my brother Josh has got it across the river. Has gotten stuff across the river before on here. I have yet to do it, but hopefully one day. And I know for a fact once I'm able to do it, that will be on camera. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this ramp jump video. It's been a while since I have done just a ramp jump video and not just a free roam video in here. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well. This month is not over yet, and it is spring. This week was cold, so that's why I didn't upload any videos this past week, but next week it is supposed to be a little bit better. So hopefully get outside and film some videos. That is for sure. And it is crazy that we are getting pretty close to April, actually. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.